All right, guys, so we are back, and in this installment of Ice Horse meets Equine Sports Medicine, I'm going to walk you through some of the pro tips for the tendon wrap. I really use this tendon wrap quite versatily on a lot of different injuries. Anyone that knows me knows I have a particular love of tendon injuries and tendon rehab. Icing for me plays a big role in my rehab programs that I build custom for all of these horses following tendon type of injuries and other soft tissue ligamentous injuries as well. So I wanted to give you some pro tips on using the Ice Horse tendon wrap specifically. I've got one applied on the horse here, and I have one that's ready to go. The first thing that I wanted to show you was the orientation of the actual wraps so that it's not intimidating when you go to actually put it on the horse. So I have one wrap applied here to the left front leg, and I have another one that's ready to go here. And I always orient myself to the Ice Horse logo. So the Ice Horse logo is ultimately gonna go kind of at the back and the bottom. It can shift around to the front as well, depending on, the Velcro is also really good, depending on what you want to ice. So I do that first to get my top to bottom orientation. And then I lay it out, and all of the Ice Horse products come with the landing strip. So this piece of fabric that's the inner lining of each of the wraps, it affixes to the Velcro that's on the back of all of the ice packs. And it sticks really well. So you can see, like, even as I'm walking through the barn, I can have it ready to go. So the landing strips also can kind of be your guide of where the ice or the heat therapy is supposed to sit. So if I take all of these packs off, you'll actually see that they're perfectly arranged in this L configuration. So if you ever feel lost about where are the ice packs supposed to go, that's actually where they go. So you can let that be your guide. And when you actually get it on the leg, so as if we were to put this one on, you know, it would go something like that. The first thing that you want to do, and I'm going to kind of undress this leg to just kind of show you how it looks when it's on the horse. We have a nice, really smooth, contoured fit to it at this point in time. The ice you can see just poking out the bottom a little bit, so we are going to get some contact down into the level of the coronet band. But as we peel these layers off, and usually I can, you know, set them a couple different times to get the smoothest fit possible. But you can see that the inner wrap is actually also affixed very nicely as well. So we've got 2 layers of 1 insulation and 2 protection. And you're not gonna pull this too tight because you have enough compression that's conformed to the leg that you will be getting a really nice fit and not putting any of these tendons, you know, at risk of pulling things too tight. But basically this is our inner landing strip. You can see as we take the ice off that we've got full coverage along the front, and as if anything in life, if you're gonna do it well and do it big. So you can see that we've got nice coverage, and as we take off this inside, we have coverage all the way down into the pastern that's conforming to the shape of the leg and giving you a really nice fit as well. These horses that I do not want to put in the spa and I don't want to get their feet wet, or they have a particular injury that I do not want to direct immerse, these are my go-to. The ice packs are actually coated with an antimicrobial. They're very easy to clean or wipe down should they get dirty. But I'm not actually soaking the foot and I'm not exposing it to any of the wet moisture. So that's another really added benefit over direct immersion that this wrap offers you. So it's well tolerated, it's easy to put on, and I hope you will start using it in your maintenance programs.